Here we have the Husqvarna 115H Automower as it would arrive to you. This Automower is well suited for yards up to 0.4 acres and can cut up to 3.6 inches high. We're going to unbox it and see what's inside. The first thing that's seen is the ruler that's included to help installation. There are different measurements for the different items around your yard. Next, let's take out your new 115H Automower. Next, let's remove the box that has some of the installation materials as well as some of the electrical components. The Husqvarna 115H comes with more than enough staples you need to have a good installation in your 0.4 acre yard. Additionally, we have a box inside for the power supply unit. This is the transformer that plugs into the outlet of your house. And finally, we have a tower for the charging station. This is what the Automower docks in to charge when the battery is low. Here we have the owner's manual as well as quick start guide that has everything you need to know about your 115H Automower. Additionally, this bag has many things. First, you'll see the large wrap of wires called low voltage wire. This is what attaches the power supply unit to the back of your base station. We also have screws that hold down your base station, electrical connectors to plug the wires into the back of the base station, and extra blades for your Automower. We have 2 more bags of staples for 8 bags total, as well as 2 spools of wire totaling 450 meters. The last thing we remove is the base plate for the Automower charging station. The Husqvarna 115H base station comes in 2 pieces. To put it together, you simply assemble until you hear the click. This is what the Automower drives onto when it's time to charge. Now that we've unboxed everything, you're ready to begin your installation. It's recommended that you review the owner's manual as well as the quick start guide. On the back of the quick start guide, you'll find instructions to download the Husqvarna Automower Connect app. This app will allow you to control your Automower from your phone. If you have any additional questions, head on over to husqvarna.com and check out the resources available there.